A very good morning to all. I am Dr. Ankita Nanda, Assistant Professor, Mite School of Management. And today I'll be talking about a learning management system that I have been using and I'll be using this semester too. And this learning management system, which I use, is the Google Classroom. It's a great platform for the teaching learning process, as during these pandemic times, it has really facilitated and made the job of the teachers as well as the students very, very easy. So in this Google Classroom, I'm going to show you how I set up the Google Classroom, as well as how different features work in the Google Classroom. So for this, I'll share my screen with you. And this is the Google Classroom that I created on the classroom.google.com. And this is the class code that I had generated, and I've shared this class code with my students. So if I move to the people tab, you can see that 15 students have enrolled into my course, and there are two teachers in this course, myself and Mr. Parveen Abrol, who's also a co-teacher into this course. Now moving to the stream, first of all, I will tell you how to create an announcement. If you want to share anything with your class, you can just write it here like hello, and you can post it. So this will become visible to your students. This is how you create announcements on the Google Classroom. Then moving to the classwork, I have created around two modules in this, module 0 and module 1. Module 0 contains the self-study material, which is actually the video links of various videos on the YouTube, which I have shared with the students for their self-learning. Then apart from the self-study material, there's a lesson plan which has been uploaded, which contains the details of the unit-wise topics, the number of classes required for each topic, as well as the teaching aid that I'll be using, that is the live video lecture or the recorded video lecture. Apart from the lesson plan, the syllabus copy has also been uploaded for the convenience of the students, which contains all the 5 units that are there in their course, as well as the list of the books recommended. In addition to the syllabus, I have also uploaded the prerequisite, which contains the which contains the objective of the course, then the course outcomes, as well as COPO mappings. So here you can see I have uploaded around 5 course outcomes for this course, and below table is the COPO mapping table. So the 5 course outcomes have been mapped to the 5 program outcomes as visible in my screen. Then finally, I have also uploaded the timetable for the students, and looking at the timetable, we can make out that the students' classes start at around 9:35 in the morning till 3:55 in the evening. So in the module 1, I have again uploaded a quiz assignment, and this assignment I have also posted a due date 24th September, and we can see that 4 students have turned their assignments back, whereas 11 have still not submitted. So I can even grade these assignments here, and I can also give comments on their assignment, whether I have liked their assignment, whether it is satisfactory or not. Then apart from the quiz, I have also posted a video lecture, recording of this lecture, which I had delivered on 22nd. Then I have also uploaded an assignment, and as you can see, 15 people were there in my class, and 13 have not submitted and 2 have turned their assignment back. So I can even grade these assignments here and give them marks and remarks also. Then apart from the assignment, another video lecture has been uploaded on it, and unit 1 also contains around 6 PowerPoint presentations that I have basically put on the Google Classroom for students' reference material. So this is just a glance of the PPTs. Then apart from this, if we move again into the classwork only, we can see a class drive folder where we can post a lot of material which is relevant for our class and share it with the students. Then we have a Google Calendar. So in the Google Calendar, we can set up a meeting with the students, and we can mention at what time and what is the link for it. So for example, I want to set up a meeting on the 29th. So on 29th, I can set up a meeting. So I can give it a title like meeting, and then add Google Meet video conferencing. I will be able to generate a link, and if I save it, it's visible here. And then if I click on this, there is a link, and students can easily join from this. So this is the meeting hours that I have set up in the Google Classroom. And we can also, take classes on a daily basis, as I have already generated this Google link. So we can click this and take the classes using this link on a daily basis. Apart from this, as such, there is no discussion forum features, especially in Google Classroom, but we can still conduct a discussion forum by creating a Google Sheet. So this Google Sheet I have created for discussion forum on grievances. I have listed the name of the students, and they can post their grievances, and we can have a discussion on this. So apart from the discussion forum on the grievances, I have also created an online discussion forum. Again, I have pasted the names of the students, and two have already given responses. I have given two topics, or you can say two questions for them to answer. And when students answer, I can even add points, and we can have a discussion online. So this was all about the features of the Google Classroom. And in the end, I would just like to say that Google Classroom is a great platform, and even online learning is a new way of life, especially in the education sector, as we have seen that during the pandemic times, the entire education system has moved to the virtual mode. It's a great learning experience for the teachers as well as the faculty members, and the students as well. So, needless to say that IUCE has contributed a lot in adding knowledge to our existing, facts and figures about the technology use. So, a big thank you to IUCE as well, and thank you.